going on, Judonians? Welcome back to the Judon family. It is pouring raining out here, and I'm being savage right now. Standing outside in this pouring down rain. It is pouring. Well, actually, it was worse, but when we went to come out here, it's, by the way, like 2, 3 something in the morning. Yeah. Damn. Ah. Damn, y'all see this rain? Well, it's nice. It cools things off. Yeah, it does feel good. Oh, they got like a little drain thing right there, so that's good for the water to go down. Also, Judonians, we want to say happy birthday to my sister, TT. She just turned 32 today. So, yeah, happy birthday to UCC. Y'all remember her when, she came up here, when my family came up to visit. When I was Julie's first time meeting them in person. As y'all see, the rain slow down. But, yeah, happy birthday to her. Hope you have a great birthday. But, yeah, make sure if you're new, subscribe so you won't miss anything with the Judon family. You're enjoying the family. Turn on notifications to all, and it's it's thunder.
I'm done. All right.
It's thunder, y'all. What the hell?
Fuck you, thunder.
Oh shit! It's thundering. Oh I'm walking backwards. I thought I was tripping.
Fucking fucked up. Alright, y'all, we made it back to our apartment.
Maybe I get struck by lightning and turn into the Flash.
Hi, Jefferson.
What's up, Jeff? Recording. I'm gonna be savage and go down there.
You go down there.
I will.
I ain't even going back down there. Fuck that shit. Fuck.
Judonians,
You can suck my dick.
y'all will come with me. I'm not gonna be near it.
Oh, hell no.
Okay, this is.
Go inside.
Stay out there.
I don't fuck with them. I don't fuck with lightning.
It's okay.
I was good when it was just raining.
Record me from up there. Don't let me. I'm gonna go live. Tell them I'm gonna go live on my YouTube. Yeah, I'm crazy for this. Okay, Judonians, make sure to smash that like button, turn on notifications, like I said, because this is crazy. I am about to record live for a little bit, and then I'm going upstairs.